Pushmatic breaker boxes present several concerns. Firstly, safety hazards exist. Pushmatic breakers are known for tripping prematurely, which can lead to power outages and potential safety risks. The breakers may not effectively interrupt fault currents, increasing the risk of electrical fires. The plastic components in the breakers can degrade over time, potentially causing overheating or short circuits. Secondly, maintenance and replacement costs are a consideration. Pushmatic breakers are discontinued, making it difficult and expensive to find replacements if they fail. The entire breaker box may need to be replaced to ensure safety and reliability. Thirdly, insurance issues could arise. Some insurance companies may not cover homes with Pushmatic breaker boxes due to the increased risk of electrical issues. Replacing the breaker box can be a costly requirement for insurance coverage. Fourthly, obsolescence is a factor. Pushmatic breaker boxes are outdated technology that does not meet modern electrical standards. They lack advanced features such as arc fault protection and ground fault circuit interrupters. If you are purchasing a home with a Pushmatic breaker box, it is highly recommended to replace it with a modern electrical panel. Consult with a licensed electrician to assess the safety risks and provide accurate cost estimates for replacement. Prioritize replacing the breaker box if there are any visible signs of damage or safety concerns.